miles per hour. In Jacksonville, cloudy, 55, wind north at 7 miles per hour. Miami, mostly cloudy, 72, wind southeast at 5 miles per hour. Again in Daytona Beach, the temperature 66 degrees. Special marine warning. The National Weather Service in Jacksonville has issued a special marine warning for waters from St. Augustine to Flagler Beach, Florida from 20 to 60 nautical miles until 10:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 10:01 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a strong thunderstorm was located 31 nautical miles northeast of Ormond by the Sea, moving east at 50 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. The strong thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.